In today's video, we will discuss about Cryptoro coin. CTRO is a cryptocurrency that has been launched by the Cryptoro platform. Cryptoro launched this token with the supply of 50 billion. 45 billion of which will be available for distribution and 5 billion will be cold audit for burning at various stages. With this token, investors play a big role in the development of the Crypto platform. Easy of use. The CTRO token can be used by the user for various product and service in the market. By using CTRO token on the market, user have the opportunity to receive discount of 20% of their total value. This token can be also used to purchase a product and services from third party. User can get this token through available exchanges. The CTRO token exists as the fuel that will always support the development and the operation of Cryptoro platform. CTRO tokens are created with the support of the community of a diverse backgrounds and the profession that make this platform great and unmatched. Innovations. Cryptoro as a fintech company which rely on a physical precious metals like gold, silver, platinum and palladium and Bitcoin. Cryptoro is a fintech company that provide a wide range of a service and a product to the online trade educations, schools and market. Cryptoro focus is to create the best multi-service and multi-product company as the world first fintech technology company to provide solution for various user needs such as financial research, consulting markets. Cryptoro is a global platform which experience professionals in their fields who have a clear business vision and understand these business models. The significant development of the cryptocurrency market require Cryptoro to follow the trend and launch its Cryptoro token.